How to check product certifications on Alibaba. Checking a product certifications is a great way to ensure you're getting a quality product from a reliable supplier. This guide shows you how to find and check product certifications on the Alibaba app. First, open the Alibaba app. Then go to the product page of the item that you're interested in. Scroll down to the product details section. Let's click here. Here you'll find a lot of information about the product, including its specifications and certifications. In the product details section, look for a tab that says Certifications. Tapping on this will show you a list of all the certifications that the product has. This should include certifications like CE, ROHS, FCC, and others. If a product has a certification, it meets certain safety and quality standards. If you want to be extra sure, you can contact the supplier directly and ask them to show you the certification documents. A reliable supplier will be happy to show you the proof of the certifications. Always check for certifications to make sure you're getting a high quality and safe product for your business. You now know how to check product certifications on Alibaba. This is a great way to protect your business. Like and subscribe for more business tips.